earlier in the morning. Or on the morning. In like the middle of the day. He thought that.
What's this guy doing? He's gonna do the big pull. Here.
Oh God, we have to park. No, we ain't gonna do the freebie. Are we?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Better not. River time. Here we go.
Hold on, kitties.
Oh, there's spots going everywhere.
Ah!
My pop's not. Yeah, there's mine. Mine hasn't spilled yet on the trail. How's everybody?
We're gonna let somebody with some bigger tires get in there.
Clear out that. What, you gonna let the yellow, the orange one go in?
Yeah.
That's red.
That's orange.
It looks more red. The little white people can make it through there. Yeah, that little white vehicle looks destroyed. Oh, Dad. Looks like he's getting stuck. Let's see this next car come on. No, I think that's it. We're finally going.
Yep.
Dad, look how long you're recording it.
44 minutes.
Of just
We'll have some editing.
Unless you want the full version of sitting in one area for 44 minutes. Oh, yeah. We might want to hold on this next part. Yeah.
I think maybe I'll go around it.
You think? Dad, no. Dad, we are not going around it. We are going around it might be better.
Once Dan's out of the way, we're gonna hammer.
Hold on tight.
You guys holding on?
Yeah.
Off the limiter.
We got this. We got this. We got this. We got this, Dad. We can do this. We go straight up there.
Oh! Gotta go wide. So close. Whoa. Just straight. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh. Whoa. Just that last little bounce, dude.
Oh, God. This is so hard.
All right, ready?
Yeah. We can do this. Woo! We just broke a
Let her eat.
We just broke a tree. You kicked down a tree.
This way?
Yeah, it's right up behind my truck up there, Corey.
You broke a tree.
Yeah.
That's how you do it.
Break stuff to get up. Where the
See, there's tracks in here. This is all. Somebody's been in here.
like animals?
No.
Like cart tracks? Because this is a really smooth area. Because the car's already been here.
Oh,
Oh, that's
that one not.
We could do a donut.
Why don't you do a donut then?
I will. You gotta do the 4-wheel donut, I guess.
Kind of just. You don't have to go there.
Find a good area.
Oh, going in a little.
Hey, this is gonna have to give it a little juice here.
Hold on, Tyler. What are they doing? What are they doing? Are we waiting for some people? Yes.
I think so. Put that in the very back.
Yeah, this camping. No hunt camp. This camp.
Well,
How long has it been since we've done actual like camping?
just straight up camping, a
Yeah.
while.
Like ever since we got the cabin, we stopped.
Yeah, because we have a cabin.
Yeah. But I kind of like going on adventures, but the cabin is we already like explored the entire place. And,
Not really. We
Yeah.
could do some off-roading up there.
Yeah. But like I like going on adventures and
Me too.
Setting up a camp, and I think we'll do some tenting this year.
tenting. Yeah. every time we're at the cabin, me and Jackson do tenting.
Hold on tight.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Whoop.
Ow. Smack me right in the face.
Oh yeah, your pink is open. And so is her. Hold on tight. River coming.
You can try and whip across the river.
No, I get a video of Daniel doing it though.
They're gonna send Daniel him going across the river. It's not even that bumpy for him.
No, it's just a couple rocks in there that are bad.
It looks like there's like, oh, that's a steep hill to get up that. You could probably get up over there.
He broke the ice too.
Could probably get up over there, Daddy.
Oh, we'll go to the same spot probably.
I do in
That bump, man. That bump was a good bump. Like our whole thing was like did a big jump. Our whole car did like a big jump.
Things came.
I was going best.
Ooh. Is this where I can sit up here? I'm guessing this is where we're sitting up here. Oh, we're going.
And doing,
Oh no.
taking a wee.
I was
Okay.
thinking.
I gotta get up a bit so I can see this.
Oh, Dad, this is a. This is a.
Uh-oh.
That's legit.
Okay,
Pull up your windows, Dad.
Yeah.
I pull up.
Dad, pull up the windows.
I gotta go ahead a bit so I can get a video better.
I'm ready. Okay. But it's already on. We already got a video of that orange car, Dad.
Phil, where's Dan?
And he's right there walking back to his car.
Oh, it's our turn.
Hey,
again.
Dan.
We're gonna do this again, Dad.
Oh yeah. This is just the first time we come out with these guys. Let's see how deep that rut is. It's deep.
Yeah, you might want to go a different way, Dad.
I'm going the same way that guy did last.
Hold on.
Oh, hot. I'm scared. Going straight through the puddle there?
Yeah, get ready.
Oh!
these eye setters.
Look at the window.
Oh, yes, you are.
Oh, we're sinking.
We're good. We're good.
Why does that red hair girl always film what we're doing?
Probably for the internet.
What did it take for you guys so long?
I thought they were planting like 1 billion trees or something.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure like 2 billion.
Team Green or something like
Yeah, team trees.
that. Team Trees.
Yeah,
Every dollar is one tree.
Yeah. Oh, big blue.
Oh.
Ooh, it looks sloppy.
Ooh,
Should we go through there?
yeah, get the good path.
Let's do it.
No, Dad, I meant the other path.
Go.
Too late.
Go.
Dad always takes the
Then sideways.
Dad always takes the sketchy ways.
That steep hill.
No, we don't. I don't
Oh,
think.
we don't?
No, we're gonna come out of the road over here.
Oh, we ain't gonna go out on that very muddy hill?
No. Oh, oh.